Folks, we just witnessed history. It used to be, America sneezes, the world catches a cold. Now, America sneezes, and the world opens fire. Trump launched a tariff war, and boom, global markets collapsed. US stocks plunged during China's Qingming Festival. Then Asia, Europe, everyone followed. Total meltdown. Stocks fell. Oil crashed. Even gold couldn't hold. Wall Street called it Black Monday. In China, a bloodbath. Red screens everywhere. Why? One word: fear. America flipped the table, slapped tariffs on friend and foe. China and the EU hit back. Trade froze. Supply chains broke. Even safe assets like gold got dumped. Some said, don't retaliate. Cute, but naive. This isn't diplomacy. It's economic warfare. And unless something changes fast, we might be headed for another Great Depression.